Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best inflatable pools for adults on the market, the Rukala Inflatable Pool with seats and headrests. If you're looking to bring the fun of a pool day right to your backyard without the hassle of a permanent setup, this might just be the perfect option for you. Let's start with the basics. The Rukala Inflatable Pool measures a spacious 8 feet by 8 feet, providing ample room for both kids and adults to splash around comfortably. It's made from durable PVC material, ensuring years of enjoyment without worrying about leaks or tears. One of the standout features of this pool is the included electric pump, which inflates the pool in just 2 minutes. No more spending ages blowing it up manually. This pump makes setup a breeze. Plus, it deflates just as quickly for easy storage. Now, let's talk comfort. The pool comes equipped with built-in seats and headrests, allowing you to relax and unwind while enjoying the water. Whether you're lounging with a drink in hand or simply soaking up the sun, these features make your pool time truly luxurious. Durability is key with any inflatable, and the Rukala doesn't disappoint. It's crafted from extra thick PVC, designed to withstand regular use without punctures. They even include 2 patch kits just in case, though you'll likely never need them. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a portable, easy-to-set-up pool that offers both comfort and durability, the Rukala Inflatable Pool with seats and headrests is definitely worth considering. Whether you're cooling off on a hot summer day or hosting a backyard gathering, it's a versatile and enjoyable addition to any outdoor space. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy splashing!